Now we shall start filling rocks which is covered by seawater through heavy waves. We will use color tone same as used for filling seawater. Guys, I have started filling dark parts of rock using colors burnt umber, crimson, mauve and black. We have already marked darkest and darker portion of the rocks in a monochrome layer of the painting. We shall follow the same. In the beginning, we just have to fill darkest part of the rocks and avoid giving details and effect to them. Seawater details we filled. Let it get dried. Meanwhile, we shall fill sea coast, rocks, sea sand, seaweed over the rocks. For the dark portion of the rocks, use colors burnt umber, alizarin crimson, mauve, magenta and little bit black. You can use little bit blue also. As per my experience in oil painting, once fill up a light color in dark area, it would be very difficult to get that area dark or light until that portion get dried. So we shall fill up dark portion first. We have used yellow ochre and raw sienna for monochrome color layer, and we shall follow the same in a first layer color filling. That we have keep in mind, because if way off the primary idea of the painting, then desired effect we could not achieve at the last. At this stage of painting, we will just avoid filling more details of the rocks and follow the monochrome marking. We have used burnt umber, black and magenta to fill up the dark portion of rocks. We will also fill up a little bit dark somewhere over the rocks to show rocks texture. We have to clean brushes very properly if we use the same brush for other tone. Make a tone of sand and light tone for stone using colors Naples yellow, rose sienna, white and a little bit use of ultramarine blue. Now we start filling sand of sea coast and somewhere that sand is come up over the rocks. We have to show even some percentage of moisture to the sand. For a highlight, we have to use white and Naples yellow. Once we fill up the sand's highlighted portion, rocks will come out automatically. There are so many colors of sands. Moisture sands look different as well as dried sand also look different. Sands also having waves as per the seawater having. We are just filling up sand's color. Details we will do later. This is the light and nearer portion of the sea coast. Take white for the nearer and lighter portion. We could use white for shiny sand also. Again, fill up mass first, which will help us to put the details afterward. For this nearest rock, use magenta, white and little bit of ultramarine blue for the light portion and light texture of the rock. We have to show sky reflection. For that we will use ultramarine blue also. We have to show sea reflection and shiny sand and reflection over the rock. Still, we have to leave a full light color portion of rocks. To show blackness of rocks, we should use mauve, white, a little bit of black and ultramarine blue. This is the nearest rock of painting. So, we have to give a very beautiful three-dimensional effect to this rock. However, I am just filling colors in it right now. We should use ultramarine blue, magenta, white and a little bit burnt umber. Also, we could use a bit of black to achieve some grey tone. Afterward, we'll put a detail with other colors also. Use some orange, white and Naples yellow to show some highlighted effects as per the cuts of rock. We also try to capture the realistic effect of rock, which will help us when we start detailing over it. This part of rock is a highlighted part, but I am filling a little bit darker tone to grab light effect in a final finishing layer. A carving done over the rocks by heavy sea waves, that details we will fill up later. Whenever we feel light portion or a lighter tone, that time we have to be very careful that lighter tone should not cover up the darker one. We have filled colors that must be filled as per the requirement, not more and not less. Otherwise, the three-dimensional effect of painting will get destroyed. However, we have to mix up light and dark lines, but details and effect should not be get the way of. That we have to keep in mind till the completion of the painting. I have made a color tone using colors mauve, magenta, white and a little bit burnt umber and black to fill in some part of rocks. So, see you in the next lecture.